I just got off Ghost Rider, and it's kind of fun. And thank you for my 36 subscribers. For those who haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And we'll see where is my picture. It's right there. So, I'm going to be heading out. So,
I don't know, I didn't even know they were going to take a picture.
What ride are we going to?
Silver Bullet.
Silver Bullet? That is so amazing, dude. You have a channel, right? He has a channel, but he doesn't really have videos up yet. But
We'll be having this.
soon we'll be having some.
Add me on Dylan Skate 420.
Dylan Skate 420. Subscribe to him, add him as a friend. And so yeah. Hey dude, we were supposed to wait for, never mind. Hey Shakaro, I bet you'll like this. Ooh. Let's see how much this costs. How much does it cost, dude? $2.50 for a freaking bag of chips, and for $2 for a freaking Snickers and M&M's. I can get it for $1. Like $4 for a soda. $4 for a soda. I don't know if you guys can see that, but well, yeah, here it is. $4 for a damn soda. I mean, go to the liquor store, you get it like $1.25 or something. But I'll see you guys later. Bye. Guess what, guys? Guess what I found? I found Shakaro. It looks so real. It looks like they're just gonna move at you and get you. Dang. So let's just move along and see where we're going. I think I just lost people. We're gonna fight. Oh, they're here. Isn't that creepy? That's really creepy.
Yeah, that's what I started on. Watch ride. She loves that.
So, yeah. Where are we heading to? Oh, okay. You're gonna buy a freaking $4 soda?
Where else am I gonna buy?
You could have bought water or something, dude. A $4 soda. Freaking Pepsi machine. $4 freaking dollars. That's bullshit. But let's look at this pond. Isn't this great? Isn't this great, guys? Ooh, look, there's a maze right here. Right there. You guys can see it. There's a maze for fallout shelter. Well, anyways, I gotta go, so hey guys, it's me again. We're going to Bigfoot Rapids right now with this ugly kid.
Fuck you.
Yeah, ugly kid. But there's actually a skate park here. Look how cool this is.
Professional dance. That's really what it was. But nobody wants to carry it up to that. Okay.
Isn't that really cool?
An average dance is $100 to learn a dance, so you'll make your money tonight, I guarantee it. Okay, this is Cupid Shuffle Latin dance, so you have to get the hips of the key on this. There's the hips, so you gotta go the right. You are
Johnny.
doing the pink looking good. Saw some lips. Saw some lips. Guys were walking by. Hey, look at that. So watch, I just want to pass that on. Okay, this is Cupid
Johnny,
Shuffle. Who's holding back? You always tell there's someone
Okay,
holding
we're
back.
in Ghost
If you
Town
got
right
a
now.
clown on the front of you should be out dancing here. I don't think those rules. I think I did a shake back.
Yeah.
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Shout out. I want to give shout out to I forgot your name. Goblin Fan 2007. Trevor. Shaytards.
It's the shit-tards, not
Who?
shit-tards.
Don't. Dude, you mixed up. Yeah, we have a Shaytards hater right here.
Shit-tards.
He's as you can tell, he's a Shaytards hater. He also hates us YouTubers. So if we won, he's not a troller, that's a good thing. Because we need to rule trollers on YouTube.
Your mom.
So, but make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. And question of the day: if he came to Knott's, and if you've experienced Knott's Scary Farm Halloween Haunt, what was your favorite maze last year? Comment below in the comment section, and make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you guys when I upload the next vlog.